Hey Steve here. I just want to shoot a quick video about the Euro US dollar lunchtime part 1 system. You should have the part 1 system given away for free at mrbinaryoptions.com/free, and you can get it. But this is a very consistent system. It's actually a tier 3 system. If you want all my systems, you can get them at mysimpletradingsystems.com. But in this video, I just kind of want to show you for 2015. I'm shooting this video on June 30th. So we're basically half a year in. It's been pretty active this year, but this is a very consistent system. On the screen here, you'll see the results from 2009, 2010, 2011, 12, and so forth. Actually, over many years, it's about wins 2 out of every 3 trades, 67%, which is you can make a good deal of money off of. This trade's only at 12 o'clock Eastern Time. Only trades the Euro US dollar. It only is an up trade based on the different rules, and you can again find the rules there. But I just kind of want to walk you through by just trading this system. Say you have started with $1,000 account for 2015. We are 21 and 11. So 21 wins, 11 losses for the system so far in 2015, which is right at that 66% range, which is very consistent with what it has been. That's trading at Nadex. We were basically risking $57 to win 100, so it's $57 risk to win $43 of profit, not including commissions and so forth. If you took those trades exactly as is, so you took all 32 of the trades, again, they always happen at 12 o'clock. They always expire at 1 o'clock. If you traded them for $57 each time, you would have made profit about $270 before commissions, so roughly probably $230 or so after commissions for the course of 6 months. Again, with a $1,000 account, that's 25% return after commissions, trading that system straight, and actually can do a little better in previous years and so forth. But the interesting thing, and something I've talked about before, and if you do sign up for for the Euro US dollar lunchtime long system, I talk a little bit about money management. And if you trade a little bit differently, your profits can expand. So what I did is I took all the trades for this year, 2015, and what I did is I listed them. Okay, how many times did we win 4 trades in a row, and so forth. And you're basically what I was looking for is, this is a very streaky system. Although it wins 2 out of 3 times, you'll have streaks of 4 or 5 winners in a row. Sometimes you'll have 4 or 5 losers in a row as well, but you'll have 4 or 5 winners in a row. So we want to use that information and profit from it. So if you, instead of taking the same amount, say $57 every single time, you went for streaks of 4. So you're looking for a winning streak of 4. So what you would do is, on the first trade, you would trade, say, 1 contract, which would cost you $57. If that wins, you would take the next trade. You would trade 2 contracts. So you're risking, $114 for the next trade. If that wins, you trade 4 contracts. If that wins, you trade 8 contracts. You stop after that case, so you don't extend this to 10 trades or anything like this. And we're not using the martingale aspect where you're doubling up after a loss. We do not do that. I think that is foolish to do. What we are doing is we're looking for winning streaks. So we're trading it when the market is hot or when the market is in our direction. So you'd be trading, if you wanted to go this route, you would buy the first one at 1 contract. If it wins, you'd buy a second. You'd buy 2 contracts. If that wins, you'd buy 4 contracts. If that wins, you'd buy 8 contracts. If that wins, you would go back down to 1 contract. So you do not continue. Now, if you say won the first trade and you went to 2 contracts and you lost the next trade, you would go back to 1 contract. If you won the first trade and then you won the second trade and now you're trading 4 contracts and then you lost, you would go back to 1 contract. So it's always, after a loss, you are always going back to 1 contract. After completing the round of 4, you are always going back to 1 contract. So by doing that, instead of we've had in 2015, even though it's been 65% win rate, we've had a winning streak of 4. We've had a winning streak of 2 winning streaks of 5, and then we've also had a winning streak of 3. But if you go through the process and the numbers, we started the year off with a streak of 4 wins in a row. So if you had a $1,000 account, after your 4 wins, and again this is without commissions, without taking out commissions, after 4 wins, your account is already at $1,647. And then it fluctuates as you have some wins and losses. After the 19th trade is your highest point. The 19th trade, you're at $2,268. And again, this is all within the last 6 months, from January 2015 until June 29th. But anyways, not including today, June 30th is the day that I'm shooting this video. As I'm shooting it in the morning and the trade hasn't happened. I don't know if there'll be a trade or not today. But through basically the first half of the year, if you traded it looking for four win streaks, so a streak of 4, again, trading 1 contract. If it wins, go to 2. If it wins, go to 4. If it wins, go to 8. If it wins, go back to 1. And then at any time there's a loss, you're only losing 1 contract at a time. So, and then going back. So we've had losing streaks as well. So we've had a losing streak of 3, a losing streak of 2, other losing streaks as well. We're only losing 1 contract on those particular times. So, but anyways, all told, on those 32 trades, 21 and 11, you would have an account worth $2,132 at today's point if you started again at $1,000. Again, that's not including commissions. So, say knock off $100 of commissions, you basically have 100% return on investment just trading this Euro US dollar lunchtime long part 1 system, which again is only a tier 3 system. We have some tier 1 systems that are doing very, very well and have 80% win rates historically and so forth. So something to think about. Again, this isn't a complicated system. It only trades at one particular time, even if you have a full-time job. This again system has been very consistent over many years. Past performance, of course, does not indicate future performance, but it is a way to make some extra money, hopefully in the markets. And if you play it this particular way, there's a lot more money to be made. So so take a look at the website. If you're not a MySimple Trading System member yet, take a look at that. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I'll talk to you all soon.